I have to deal with a lot of artwork that has a lot of points, this particular one has like over 4,000, and it actually becomes really hard to work with. Fusion tends to crash. It lags. It's hard to do anything. Um, so I kind of came up with a system that works pretty good. I don't really run into too many issues. The crashing problem definitely went away. Um, but as you can see here, I'll just try to move the artwork into place, and it just takes forever. And it really just doesn't need to take that long. And this way, you can kind of get around that. So let's go to move. We'll rotate it. Lagging. I can't even get it on 180 degrees. It just keeps going past. I'll just give up and just type it. Yeah, really slow. I've also seen people talk about trying to simplify your artwork to remove some of the points. I wouldn't really recommend this. This isn't, it's not very precise. When you start removing points, you start changing the artwork a lot, and a lot of times it doesn't look good. Sometimes it's okay though, but this doesn't look good at all. I wouldn't use that. So what you got to do, create a new file, import the artwork that you want to use. Now what I'll do is I'll create my bodies of the graphic, and so you just extrude out what you want. I've actually sped this process up a little bit. It took a while, but it wasn't so terrible. Extruding's okay. It's moving is the problem. Do about 10 thou. New body. This particular graphic's going to give you a bunch of bodies. So we need to move all those bodies into their own component. Create a new body from component. Click and select all the other bodies, drag them into component 1. And then now I need to make a sketch on top of this component so I can place it on top of the dash. It's just a lot easier to do it here. Just got to add a point. Just project it in. Hit OK. Finish sketch. Now we're done with this, and we can save this as its own file, just if we want to use it later. But by doing this, we're gonna move the bodies into the new file and remove the sketch from the file, and that'll speed everything up. Once that's done, copy and paste the component from this file to the lower dash file that you're going to use it on. And here I could actually move it into place, but I'm going to just hit OK for now and move it in a second. I just want to kind of show the performance of doing the graphics like this. So let's select the components. Let's rotate it. Turn on our sketch so we can see the point, so we can do a point-to-point move. See how much faster that moves? No lag, nothing. Moves how we want it to. We can do a point-to-point move, and it'll be fast. You're not going to get any crashing. It just really solves that problem of like a graphic with too many points. I'm just going to mess around with it a little bit so you can kind of see that there's no lag whatsoever. Everything works as it should.